take that vest off. I don't want company names.
30. Sorry, it's not that. 30 cows in a field.
In the same field.
Just listen to what I'm saying.
How big's field?
30 cows in a field. 28 chickens. How many didn't?
No.
You gotta just listen to what I'm saying.
I'm fucking up listening to it.
Wait, just listen to what I'm saying. 30 cows in a field.
30 cows in a field.
Yeah.
28 chickens. How many didn't?
Didn't what? See, I've got mine is 2.
No.
Because the 2 cows didn't get chicken. Didn't chicken out?
Didn't you? I'm trying as hard as I can, bro. It's just not happening.
Listen to what I'm saying. Listen to what I'm saying.
Right. Listen to what I'm saying.
Trick question, isn't it? I know.
No, it's not a trick question.
Oh, right.
I'm saying 30 cows in a field. 28 chickens. How many didn't?
Same answer comes in my head. Didn't make it into the field. I don't know.
What did you ask about before about the different types of chickens?
Yeah.
Is it something to do with different types of chickens?
Yeah.
I've got 2. See, I've got 2 silkies.
I've got 2 chickens. And the branded silkies.
Right.
Is it a cow chicken?
Is this blue now?
Cow chicken.
Is there a cow chicken?
Is it related?
A chicken with an omelette? No, a chicken with orange, a beef omelette.
I don't know. I don't know. Pass. Next question.
Wait, did Jake get it?
No.
No, he's keeping quiet.
I'm not making myself look a twat.
Yeah.
Si, did you get it?
Yeah,
Cheers.
I got it, yeah.
Fucking table then.
You like it? Tell me then.
I'm not doing it on fucking video, no. I'm not telling him.
You get straight
Go
outside.
No, I didn't get it straight away.
Go outside and tell them, and I'll see if it's a bit right.
30 cows.
fucking
I don't have to serious now.
No, I didn't get it.
It's not 20.
Did you say 28?
This is 28.
I thought it was 20.
We'll make it a team effort.
30 cows. 30 cows.
30.
30 cows in a field. 28 chickens. How many didn't?
Someone's got to get it.
I'm not paying attention.
You are?
I'm not.
Just don't overthink it. Just listen to the words.
Are you asking me?
Don't overthink it.
When do we get an answer?
Don't
I've got to
know.
get it sorted out.
Yeah.
This is going to
You'll kick yourself.
Do you want me to give you an answer later on?
Oh, no.
No.
Tell me then, I will keep it secret.
If I tell you what answer what, then you're going to work it out. You know like that.
What, even if we give it an answer, I still won't know what it is.
If you don't, that'll be even more hilarious.
Right, on there. I won't show it to nobody.
Not to invest you. Everyone will see one, right?
Oh, they won't. I did.
No, I can't. Listen to what I'm saying.
I am doing.
Listen to what I'm saying.
Right, I am.
30.
Yeah. Cows in a field.
I am.
Yeah.
See, something to do with cows in a field. Something to do with
Well, that's what I'm
cows
saying.
in a field.
30 cows in a field.
Next bit's
28
important.
chickens. How many didn't?
Didn't what? What? I can't get beyond that bit.
Didn't.
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 Is that a trick question? Is that a trick word? Didn't.
No, it's how I'm saying it. It's how I'm saying it. There's nothing trick about it. No trick about it. It's how I'm saying it. 30 cows in a field.
Yep.
28 chickens.
Yep.
How many didn't?
30 cows. It's something to do with.
Good Jake is on calculator.
I know, he's googling it. He's googling it.
I'm texting. I'm not googling no.
You Google it.
No.
Google it.
Oh, fucking hell.
I Think about your chickens that you got at home. What do they do all day long?
I've only got 3.
Cluck. Something to do with clucking, isn't it?
Fucking hell.
My eggs. Oh, an egg a week. Is it something to do with clucking? It isn't, is it?
No.
Why say that then, myself? Because I'm
I don't
video.
even look, we just... I'm not going
What do they do? What?
imitate
What?
noise.
What do you
Heck.
think you do?
Right.
Close.
I'm gonna
Close.
just put them out there, isn't it?
No, hang on. I'm going to get this.
You don't, I don't think you are.
Am I not going to get it with back? No.
Close to what? Why do they peck?
Eat.
Right.
Right. Keyword.
Keyword.
What?
I'll say it again now. 30 cows in a field. 28 chickens. How many didn't?
What's that to do with eating?
What's it to do with eating? Everything.
Spilled my tea everywhere.
Well, cows and chickens eat everything.
Well, one eats grass, the other eats bugs and fucking...
I get it now. I googled it. I can't be asked.
What is it then?
You googled it.
28 that eats, not as in
28?
No.
28 chickens!
Yes.
How many did
Oh,
Two
fucking
didn't.
hell.
No.
10!
Yeah.
We had to Google it. I told